Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Serverless AI and Edge AI, running smart systems anywhere, anytime. Imagine your apps or devices not just following instructions, but actually thinking and making decisions. That's what we mean by smart systems powered by AI. Today, we're talking about how developers like us can make these smart systems work almost anywhere, from big cloud data centers to tiny devices, without the usual headaches of managing complex infrastructure. It's about bringing AI power closer to where it's needed, making our applications faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Historically, if you wanted your app to use AI, like recognizing faces or understanding speech, you'd usually set up a powerful computer, called a server, in a big data center, often known as the cloud. This server would act as your app's brain. As a developer, this meant you had to constantly manage this server, making sure it had enough power, updating its software, and scaling it up or down depending on how many people were using your app. It was like owning and maintaining a powerful, always-on factory just for your AI tasks. Great power, but lots of maintenance and cost. Now, imagine you need that powerful AI brain, but you don't want to own or maintain the server factory. That's where serverless AI comes in. Think of it like ordering a taxi instead of owning a car. You just tell the service where you want to go, what AI task you need done, and they handle the car, the driver, the maintenance, everything. For developers, this means you write your AI code, upload it, and the cloud provider, like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, runs it only when needed. You only pay for the actual ride, the time your AI code runs, not for the car sitting idle. No servers to manage, no scaling worries. From a developer's perspective, serverless AI is incredibly liberating. You focus purely on writing the AI logic for your application, for example, a function that takes an image and identifies objects in it. You package this function and upload it to a serverless platform. When your app needs to identify objects, it simply calls this function, and the platform automatically spins up the necessary computing power, runs your code, and then shuts it down. It handles all the underlying infrastructure, scaling your AI brain up to thousands of requests per second or down to zero when not in use. Your job is just the smart code. While serverless AI runs in the cloud on demand, Edge AI takes a different approach. It puts the AI brain directly onto the device itself. Imagine a smart security camera that can tell if it sees a person or a cat without sending footage to the cloud. That's Edge AI. The AI model runs right on the camera's built-in computer. It's like having a mini genius on the spot, making decisions instantly. This is crucial for things like self-driving cars, smart speakers, or factory robots, where speed, privacy, and working offline are super important. Developing for Edge AI means we create smaller, highly efficient AI models that can run on devices with limited computing power, like your phone, a drone, or a smart sensor. As developers, we'll often train these models in the cloud first, then shrink them down and deploy them to the edge device. The challenge is optimizing these models to be fast and accurate locally. The payoff is huge. Instant responses, enhanced privacy, data stays on the device, and the ability to work even without an internet connection. Think of apps that analyze your health data on your smartwatch, all happening locally. So, which one do you use? Serverless AI * is great for tasks that require massive computing power occasionally, or when you need centralized data processing, like analyzing huge datasets, complex image generation, or infrequent heavy AI computations. It's cost-effective and scales infinitely. Edge AI asterisk is ideal for real-time, low-latency decisions, privacy-sensitive applications, or situations where internet connectivity is unreliable. Think facial recognition at a door, industrial automation, or a medical device analyzing readings on the spot. Often, the best solution is a asterisk hybrid. Edge AI handles immediate local tasks, and serverless AI in the cloud processes more complex data or updates the edge models. Serverless AI and Edge AI are fundamentally changing how we build smart systems as developers. These technologies free us from infrastructure headaches and let us focus purely on creating innovative AI features. From smart cities to personalized health tech, and from intelligent robots to hyper-responsive web applications, AI is becoming truly ubiquitous. By understanding these concepts, you're not just learning about technology, you're learning how to build the next generation of intelligent applications that run anywhere, anytime, making our world a smarter place. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.